Hi guys, and in this lecture I'm going to show you the overview of the strategy that we're going to be using. So the first stage is the research stage. So the first point is Expire Domains Website Secret Source. So I'm going to show you my own secret source for purchasing domain names online. On the website it's going to show you a list of expired domains and also deleted domains. You're going to be able to use the filters on the website, which will show you what domain names look good to you already. The website also has more columns connected to each domain, and inside each of these columns is useful information that you can use to figure out for yourself if the domain name looks profitable or not to you. Valuating is the second stage. So I'm going to show you two valuation websites that I use all the time to appraise my domain names. So we're going to gather statistics for our Flippa auctions that will help us sell our domain names online. These valuation websites will also show us comparable domain name sales. We can also list these domain sales that are like our own domain inside our Flippa auctions. Finally, I'm going to show you how to double check that the domain name that you selected hasn't been blacklisted by Google, because this could negatively affect the valuation of your domain name. I'm also going to show you how to register a domain name for a cheap price on GoDaddy. I'm going to also show you how to hide your details on the Whois domain name database. So that means that when someone looks up your domain name on the Whois database, they won't be able to find your information. It will be private. I'm going to show you how to list an auction on Flippa. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Flippa and listing domain names. I'm going to show you how to write a listing description and tagline that sells. You'll also learn which listing package to choose. It's going to be based off the domain name that you decide to buy. Finally, I'm going to show you how to transfer your domain name to the buyer. This is a really important step that it can't be overlooked. You need to know how to transfer a domain name to the buyer on GoDaddy, and also to the buyer not on GoDaddy. Then hopefully by the end of this process you'll have earned profit using my secret source, my valuation websites, and Flippa.com. Once you've earned your profit, you'll be able to repeat the whole process again and earn even more money online. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next lecture.